Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for January 8th, 2026, where we simplify today's market intelligence for you. Markets had a choppy session as major indices touched all-time highs before pulling back. The Nasdaq edged up 0.2%, while the S&P 500 and Dow slipped slightly. In a major milestone, Google surpassed Apple's market value for the first time since 2019, jumping 2.4% to reach 3.89 trillion US dollars. Apple has fallen for 6 straight days on margin concerns from rising memory chip prices. Meanwhile, cybersecurity stocks rallied strongly, with CrowdStrike up 4.5% and Palo Alto Networks gaining 4% as security spending remains robust. Let's spotlight this week's movers. Intel surged 6% on reports suggesting demand for computer server chips is set to spike. Eli Lilly climbed 4.1%, breaking out to new highs after acquiring biotech firm Ventyx for $1.2 billion US dollars. Bloom Energy jumped 4.8% following approval for a major power capacity project, as investors bet on AI's growing electricity needs. On the policy front, defense giants faced pressure as Trump threatened to block dividends and buybacks at Lockheed Martin and Raytheon, singling out Raytheon as the least responsive to his demands. Our chart of the day highlights a crucial distinction between two technology investment cycles. Unlike the dot-com era, which was fueled by massive debt accumulation, the current AI capex boom shows fundamentally different financing dynamics. Technology, media, and telecom companies are maintaining healthier balance sheets this time around. This structural difference suggests greater sustainability in today's AI infrastructure build-out. The reduced leverage means less systemic risk, giving investors a more stable foundation as artificial intelligence spending accelerates across the sector. Looking ahead, Anthropic is raising $10 billion US dollars at a $350 billion US dollar valuation, with Singapore's GIC leading this third massive AI funding deal of the year. Hyundai shares surged 15% on speculation of a deeper NVIDIA partnership, notable since they own over 80% of Boston Dynamics. Markets will be closed Thursday for a national day of mourning, so watch memory chip price movements closely. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.